What's up, YouTube? Wanted to make a quick video for the F150 guys out there trying to figure out how big a tire they can stuff under their two-wheel drive F150 with just a leveling kit. So let me flip the camera around and show you what I found out. On the left, I got my wife's 2021 F150 two-wheel drive on stock suspension. And right here in front of me is my 2021 F150 on a 2.5-inch level, sitting on some 34s with some 20x9 positive 12 offset wheels. They give me a nice aggressive look. They poke out a little bit, but not too much. This is my daily driver, and I live on a gravel road, so I didn't want rocks getting slung up against my truck every time I try to go somewhere. But as you can see, looking at the wheel well gaps, the 2.5-inch lift leveling kit gives it a nice leveled out look. If you want to go truly completely level, I suggest going with a 3-inch leveling kit, not the 2.5. My truck still sits, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it still sits about a 1/2 inch lower in the front. And I just like a truly leveled out truck, and a 3-inch leveling puck would give me that truly level look. My wife's truck is again completely stock. If you do a 3-inch leveling kit, from what I've read on all the forums, is you can run almost, or I think you can run a 35 by 1150, not 35 by 1250, a 35 by 1150 tire if you run that tire setup on a stock wheel with a 3-inch leveling kit. 34, or let me give you what the true number, but 275 65 R20, again it comes out to about a 34-inch tire, is the most I could run on my truck with a 2.5-inch level, because of the offset I'm running on these wheels. These wheels obviously put my tire outside of the fenders. It's not like, you know, some guys are running 20 by 10s, 20 by 12s. The further you go out, the smaller tire you're going to be able to run, because you're going to run into clearance issues. I'll show you here on my wife's truck. Ford put these lovely things they like to call crash bars. The little metal piece back there, I don't know if you can see it right there. Those are called crash bars. And if you run bigger wheels and tires, or excuse me, if you run bigger tires, as you turn and stuff and fully lock out your wheel, the tires will start to scrub those things and interfere with them. You can unbolt them and take them out. A lot of guys cut them. I would probably suggest just unbolting them. That way, if you ever wanted to sell the truck, or, you know, any warranty issues, you could bolt them right back in and Ford couldn't say nothing to you. But yeah, guys, I hope this video helped y'all out. Kind of gives you a idea of what your truck may look like on a lift or a level and some bigger wheels and tires. I'll get my tape measure out and measure exactly how much gap we got here in this wheel well. This truck isn't sitting on a perfectly flat surface, but you can see the measurement there. Walk back here to the back. You can see about an inch difference. So a 3-inch puck should put that to where it's just about level. You could run a 3.5, but from what I've seen, if you run a 3.5, because of the way the suspension geometry and all that magic works, it'll actually put you a little higher in the front. So a 3-inch is the key to a truly level truck. Anyways, guys, hope this video helped y'all out. I got more videos on these trucks on the channel if you want to hit that subscribe button and go check them out. I'm gonna do some more videos on these trucks in the future. So anyways, thanks for watching. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.